Hey everybody, this is Andrew from T is for Tech, and today I've got a bunch of t-shirts to look at. Now these are graphic tees from a company called $6shirts.com. So they sell only online, and as the name kind of implies, they have a lot of cheap graphic tees, right? So $6, most of them are $6. There's some of them that are $9 and a little bit more, depending on the complexity, I guess, of the screen print and all of that. But I got what they call their mystery packs. So I got 2 mystery packs, which are 10 shirts each. That basically, you don't know what they are, right? So you just order them, they send you 10 random shirts, and they're cheaper than even $6. I'd have to look it up and see, but I think it comes out to be like 25 bucks or $24.99 or something like that for 10 shirts plus shipping, which was like another $10 or $12, I think. So if you're into graphic tees and you're also into some surprises, you like to be surprised, it might be something you want to take a look at. I mean, obviously you can just order, whatever t-shirts you want as well. There's a bunch of different designs, hundreds and hundreds of different designs, lots of cool stuff there. And so basically I just got 2 of these mystery packs. Gonna unbox them, take a look at them. Probably just wear these around the house or, kind of on the weekends and things like that. Hopefully get some good ones. I'm not really sure what will be in here, but we're gonna go ahead and do it. So I'm gonna move, this is a big stack. So I'm gonna move these off to the side, and then we'll kind of pull them up one by one. I have not looked at these yet, except seeing some of the colors that are here, but we'll see what actually is on the shirts. And these are Delta Pro Weight shirts. They're a little bit lightweight, but they're not really, really cheap. I was kind of wondering what the actual material quality was, if it felt like really, really, really crappy, but these are pretty decent. Delta apparel from Georgia, Delta Pro Weight. So pretty nice. Okay, so this first one is a white shirt, and it has looks like Japanese kind of flag thing there, some writing. Looks kind of cool. I mean, I definitely would wear this one. It's white with a kind of Japanese looking thing. So that's 1. So I got 19 more. So this is another white shirt, but it's got a bear with a monocle and a derby hat on and a little kind of a bow tie thing. So that's actually kind of funny. I like that. So again, white with the bear face on it. And I'm not a small guy, so these are XXL in size. So here we got kind of a reddish kind of color with a pineapple on it. So I would wear this, I guess, pineapple. Another reddish one with says the Fool. So this is kind of like, I guess, a jokery type of thing. If it's an actual reference to something, I didn't get the reference, but so the Fool. And here's a bluish shirt, and it says "You Glad." It looks like an orange, kind of a retro looking thing. Got another blue shirt with some sort of bird with the moon or sun behind him. It's kind of cool, I guess. So we've got a green shirt that says kale. That's actually kind of funny. So instead of an Ivy League Yale, you have a leaf kale shirt. We've got another green shirt with some flamingos on it. It's pink flamingos on a green shirt. And basically 2 more in the first pack. It's kind of an old school looking cowboy shirt. It says, "These violent delights have violent ends." I don't know if I'd wear that to the store, but maybe around the yard. Here's another kind of bluish, grayish heather kind of shirt. And it has, it looks like a guy with a staff with the light. It says the Hermit. Kind of cool. So that was the first mystery pack of 10. And I'm glad that these came at the same time. So hopefully there's obviously no duplicates within the two packs I got in the shipment. So now we have a gray shirt that says Retired Goth. It's kind of cool. We've got another gray that says Well La Di Frickin' Da. Actually, I kind of like that. La Di Frickin' Da. Pretty sure my wife won't like this one, but it's a purple one. It says Single and Ready to Flamingo. This one might get donated to Goodwill or something, but still kind of a funny shirt. It's another one not totally into, but October 31st is for tourists. I live it all year. I have a purple with the orange. I mean, the one thing I'll say is the screen printing is pretty good. It's not stiff or anything like that. It's really pretty decent quality print and shirt. So, I mean, all in all, the quality I'm pretty happy with. Here's a good one. I like this. It's a green shirt that says Science on it. It's got a atom sort of thing. Pretty cool. And we got three or four more here. So this one's actually pretty cool. If you're into Netflix and Stranger Things, there's a Starcourt Mall logo on so it's kind of like a blue on a green. Starcourt Mall, cool. Like the TV show, or like the Netflix show for sure. So this is kind of like a royal navy blue type thing with a monarch butterfly on it. Again, probably not something I'd wear out and about, but around the yard, around the house, I'll wear it to bed. And we got three more. This one is definitely something I can wear today, or this is my quarantine shirt. So when I go shopping at the grocery store, I gotta wear my mask. I'll wear this, and hopefully people will get a kick out of it. This is my quarantine shirt in a dark blue. And then we've got kind of a brownish-ish, grayish, and a blue. You can see this. Basically, this is the George Washington crossing the Delaware in his boat. It's hard to see, but it's George Washington. That's actually cool. That's a good painting. That George Washington painting is nice. And last but not least, another gray kind of shirt, and basically says death. With I don't know if that's Chinese or Japanese writing, and it says death. So yeah, not too bad. There's definitely a couple cool ones in there that I will definitely wear. I mean, let me know if you have any questions. Again, good assortment of random mystery t-shirts. I do like quite a few of them. There's maybe 2 or 3 that I wouldn't necessarily wear, at least out of the house. Kind of like my wife, I'm sure, doesn't like the flamingos, ready to mingle, single, whatever. But yeah, overall, very, very nice shirts, and definitely worth taking a look at. So again, if you have any questions, go ahead and post those below. This is Andrew from T is for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.